Good day everyone, and my name is Reena Effiom-Success. Today I'll be talking about Aristotle's 6 elements of drama. Aristotle considered these 6 things to be essential to good drama. Plot. Plot refers to the basic storyline of the play. Theme. Theme refers to the meaning of the play. Theme is the main idea or lesson to be learned from the play. Characters. Characters are the people, sometimes animals, or ideas portrayed by the actors in the play. Dialogue. This refers to the words written by the playwright and spoken by the characters in the play. Music or rhythm. In this case, Aristotle was referring to the rhythm of the actors' voices as they speak. Spectacle. Spectacle is everything the audience sees as they watch the play. Thank you.